Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you're from the whole wide world. Just it's your man Pixie with another video, not a drone video as you can see. I'm in my house. Basically, what this is about is telling you about referrals you can get with using StreamYards, and you can get some money, basically money for your StreamYards, not money that you can spend in your shops. So what you got to do is you got to go to your referrals page, and then we can go from there. So yes. We'll be right back. There you have it. There is your referrals page, and basically, if you have a well, with all. Here is your referral page. You'll find it in my account, which is just there. Click on that, and you'll see referrals drop down. Click on the referrals bit. And basically, all that you do is invite your friends to StreamYard. Like it says, they'll give you $10 in credit. Once they've spent £25 with us, you'll get £25 in credit. So, whenever else somebody uses your link that you've got, and they sign up to StreamYards for the paid version, they'll get £25, not $25 for starting, and also not you'll get Right, so here we are on the referrals page. All you've got to do is click on my account. The drop down button will come on, and it'll bring you to referrals. So it says invite your friends to StreamYard. They'll get $10 in credit once they have spent £25 with us, and you'll get $25 in credit, which is not bad. So basically, yeah, that's what you do to make some money for your StreamYard, and you get quite a few people signing up with that link. That you put in all your videos, just say link in description and all that malarkey, which this one is as well. So just have a quick look, share it with all your friends, or like it says on Facebook, Twitter, wherever. Share it around, and hopefully somebody will click on it, and then you can earn a bit of money. You can also send it via email address, as it says there. So yeah, obviously I haven't shared any out yet. So yeah, you've got your referral stats, then you've got your credit. That is amounts to be applied against upcoming payments, obviously nil. Everything's nil at the moment. Claimed amount you've already saved, none, like you just said. Pending, and referrals, and clicks, how many people that's clicked on the link. So yeah, so it can add up if you get people clicking on the old link. And so yeah, I hope you found this video useful. I only just found out about it, so I'll be sharing this about. So if anybody wants a free bit of money to use on StreamYards, then use this link. Alright then guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and also ring that little bell, so hopefully you'll get a notification whenever I make a video. Hopefully be going out with a drone in the next few days. The weather's supposed to be picking up, so we'll have some more drone footage, and the restrictions have eased a little bit, so yes, I can go possibly further afield as well. Awesome. And also I do a live stream on a Friday night showing people's drone videos as well. That'll be 9 PM UK start time, so don't forget guys, have a look at that as well. Alright then, enjoy the video, have a good rest of the day, and please stay safe. Bye for now. Oh dear, end broadcast.